What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. If you are new, you know exactly what you need to do. Just go right ahead and subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys so much for supporting the journey. Alright, so I'm just here with you guys to give you a quick update on Catching Estate and SilverSun Estate. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys would have gone on the web portal. Some of you guys would have gone to the open house and you have seen our videos, so you know exactly what I'm making reference to. Alright, so if you had made an application for either SilverSun Estate or Catching Estate, good news guys, good news. The results are in, and guess what? You were selected for one of the units. Alright, so on Sunday, June 19, the NHT will publish the results of the person selected for these units in our local newspaper. So you can go ahead on Sunday and purchase your Sunday Gleaner, or you can go and purchase your Observer to see if your name is on the list. Alright, I know a lot of you guys are excited. I know a lot of you couldn't wait to hear what the result will be. I know you're there wondering if you made it on the list, but don't worry, I'm sure your name is there because you got the information right here and you went ahead and you made your application. Alright, but guys, let me just put this out there for you, just in case you are not seeing your name on the list. Don't be disheartened, don't feel let down, don't feel like nothing will work out. It's just how the market is. Also remember that NHT works with a point-based system, so just keep on contributing, work on your points. If you see something on the open market, go ahead, make a purchase. There are other units coming up for SilverSun, and I'm sure the NHT will be having plenty more developments to come. Remember, we have HAJ. Remember, we're giving you updates on Elsha View. Remember, Phoenix Park is having a phase 2. So guys, don't be discouraged, but just go out there, continue to put in your applications. In the meantime, save your deposits, put down some money for your attorney fee, your closing costs, your processing fee. Just go and save up some money. Alright, so remember, the big news today is that Sunday, yes, June 19, go buy a Sunday Gleaner or your Observer and look if your name or your friend's name or your family member's name is on the list for either SilverSun Estate or Catching Estate. So thank you guys so much for stopping again for this quick update. Thank you as always for making it Chris for your property tours, your property updates, and remember to keep posted to the channel as we'll have other updates for you on other properties. We'll have new developments coming, and we will keep you guys in the loop on what's happening in the market. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, remember, share the video with a friend. Don't be selfish, share it with a family, spread the word across the world, and let's grow together. So thank you guys, and remember, the journey continues with Chris. Bye.